Are you sick and tired of your AI assistant writing emails that sound, well, like they were written by a painfully formal, soulless machine? Well, stick around, because we are going to fix that for good. Okay, let's be real for a second. Have you ever used AI to draft an email? You read it back, and you just kind of cringe? Yeah, you're not alone. It's that weird feeling where it's almost human, but something's just off.
Ugh, there it is, the classic. This is the default setting for so many AI tools, and it's a dead giveaway. It basically screams to your reader, a human didn't really write this. Or maybe worse, they didn't care enough to even edit it.
And this is a massive deal. Check this out. A whopping 58% of young professionals are already using AI for their work emails. But here's the problem. Most of them are getting these same tired, generic results. The good news? It really doesn't have to be this way. Now listen, the problem isn't that AI is bad at writing. Not at all. The problem is how we're asking it to write. But with just a simple shift in how you think about it, you can turn that clumsy robot into a world-class writing assistant. So this is the whole key right here. It's so important. If you give the AI vague instructions, you are always going to get vague robotic answers. The AI isn't a mind reader, right? It's a tool, and it needs a clear brief to do its job well. And this slide just lays it all out. On the left, you're treating AI like a search engine. You get junk back. But on the right, you're treating it like a smart assistant, giving it a clear brief. And that completely transforms the output. This whole shift in how you work with AI actually has a name, and it is the absolute key to unlocking its true power for all your writing. It's called prompt engineering. Now, I know, it sounds super technical, but it's actually simple. It just means you're giving the AI a better recipe so you can get a better dish. You're not just telling it what to make, you're giving it the ingredients, the cooking time, and even a picture of what you want the final meal to look like. Okay, so let's get practical. Let's dive into the actual framework for creating that perfect recipe. This is how you brief your AI assistant so you get a brilliant first draft every single time.
These 4 things you see here, they're totally non-negotiable. Your goal, your audience, the key facts, and the call to action. If you miss even one of these, I promise you the quality of your draft is going to take a nosedive. Let's look at a real example.
See, this is what a great context block looks like. Just notice how specific everything is. The goal isn't just follow up, it's confirm a meeting and share highlights. The audience is a CFO. We've got exact revenue numbers. And the call to action is crystal clear. This is how you get quality. All right, now for the biggest challenge, and the most important one, getting the AI to actually sound like you. This is how we go from an email that's just technically correct to one that feels authentic and, human. Just like before, vague instructions are your worst enemy. Make it friendly. That's useless. What does that even mean? But write with empathetic transparency. Whoa, now that gives the AI some real direction. You've got to use specific, descriptive words to guide the tone. Okay, you want a pro-level move? Here it is. Feed the AI a bunch of emails you've already written and ask it to create a personal style guide for you. It will literally analyze your style, your vocabulary, your tone, and then it can mimic your voice with scary accuracy from then on. And here's the best part. Most AI tools have a custom instructions feature. You can paste a guide just like this in one time, and the AI will remember your preferences for every single email you write. It's like giving it a permanent style upgrade. Now remember, the first draft is never the final draft. It's just the starting point. The real magic, and honestly the real speed, comes from knowing how to tweak that draft quickly and easily. So don't waste your time rewriting sentences by hand. Just talk to your assistant. Give it these simple, direct commands. This back and forth process is way, way faster than trying to do it all yourself. And finally, before you hit send, just run it through this quick mental checklist. Is there one clear action? Are the facts right? Does the tone feel right? This is your final quality control, and it makes sure every single email you send is perfect. So by following this process, you've done something huge. You've fundamentally changed your relationship with AI. You've basically unlocked a genuine superpower for your professional life. And that's the big shift in thinking. Like the slide says, you're not just asking a machine for an email anymore. You are now briefing a highly capable assistant to draft one for you. It's a totally different game. Look, this isn't just about writing better emails. It's about getting your time back. So the real question is, Once your process is this fast and this effective, what are you going to do with all those hours you just saved every week?